Hi, I'm Alan from MeasureSquare, and I'll be going over how to import data into the Slab Optimizer to generate your cut report in MeasureSquare Stone. First off, you can see that I already have a project open with my countertops. Next, I'll click on Worksheet up here at the top. Then, I'll click on New, and then click on OK once I've selected the template I want for my worksheet. You can see that all my slabs have loaded in. Next, I'll click on Slab Optimizer at top. Then, I'll click on Load Data, and then select the worksheet that I want. You can see that all my slabs have been loaded into the Slab Optimizer. I'll fill out any details I need for the Slab Optimizer, such as the blade width, the first cut direction, the cut level, and the slab dimension. Then, I'll click on Start Cut. Here, you can see our newly generated slab cut report. If you make changes to your takeoff and need to update the slab cut report, simply go to the Worksheet tab and click on New, select the correct worksheet template, and type in your name, and click OK. You can see our new worksheet right here. Then, in the Slab Optimizer, we'll click on Load Data, and select the correct worksheet, and click on OK. You can see the newly loaded slabs right here. And again, you may select your cut options here, and click on Start Cut. Here, you will see the newly updated slab cut report for the new takeoff changes. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions about this, please contact us at support@MeasureSquare.com or give us a call.